Objects can contain other objects as well. An important concept for this is object composition. Object composition is when an object contains another object, and this can go quite some levels deep. For example, we can have an order object, perhaps in a webshop application. And this order can have a customer, which is also an object. And the customer can have an address, which is also an object. Being able to make these steps and draw these lines is key for object-oriented thinking, which we'll see later. So for example, if we want to get the city the order was delivered to, I'd have to take these steps: order, customer, address, and from the address get the city. Let's put aside coding for a second and practice drawing these lines. This is a cat, and it's of type cat. So there's an object which is of type cat. So cat is a class. And the cat has an owner of type person. So person is a class as well. The owner has a car of type car. So car is a class as well. And the car has an engine of type engine. So engine is a class as well. If we want to go from the cat to the HP on the car, we'd have to take the following steps. We go from cat to owner, from owner to car, from car to engine, and from the engine we get HP. And the HP can be of a primitive type actually. For example, 400. Though that's probably a bit much. As you can probably tell, I don't know a lot about cars. Makes sense though, cars are hardware, aren't they? Being able to travel over objects to get a certain value is a very important part of working with an object-oriented language like Java. So practicing this is a good idea. Doing it like this in practice is probably not a good idea. As we have seen, in terms of data, objects can have objects and objects can have primitives. Let's discuss the concepts of storing objects and primitives in the computer memory in the next video.